Put your shoes on, buddy. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, week 8. First thing here, I'm just going to go over the agenda for this week. Big things are we're doing the notes. You're going to do sections 8.10 and 8.11, or objectives 8.10, 8.11. And we are doing the second portion of this unit. And because we're skipping a lot of note portions, I am going to be posting only the notes you need for the week so that we're eliminating confusion in terms of what section of the notes you need to do. So let me go through the week quick and then I'll show you where that is. We're going to do the lab. You're going to work on week 4. You're going to use your week 3 graph. So you're not going to need to create a new graph. Now with this, we're going to be determining if any fronts moved in. So we're going to be looking for changes, bigger changes in temperature, like a big temperature drop or a big temperature change in terms of a rise with associated rain. So you are going to want to look on your data table and see what days maybe it rained. We're going to continue to work on that for Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, I'd like you to complete a CASEL learning assignment on air masses and fronts. It is posted now if you want to start that early. And try and get everything in on Friday, okay? So again, this agenda is right here. When we're talking about air masses, we'll get to those notes and I'll post a screencast. Air masses are large bodies of air that move into a location, and they essentially have specific characteristics. So maritime polar, meaning cold, maritime meaning over a large body of water. So this is cold, damp air. Maritime tropical, maritime again, meaning damp, very humid air, tropical being warm. So maritime generally means it's damp, humid air. Continental usually means it's dry air. Polar, cold. Tropical, warm. In terms of fronts, fronts are named based on the type of air that they're moving, so cold air or warm air, and where they meet with another air mass. On your reference table, page 13 is really important for all of those map symbols, and I will get to that point as we go over the notes. So here is your agenda. Work your way through it. I just want to show you again. Remember that most of this stuff is posted right on the classroom. So if I were to pull this up, and I'm going to go really quick to earth science classwork, you'll notice here you have essentially 2 things for this week. Here is week 8 agenda in the notes. Okay, so there's the agenda. You click on that, goes through the whole agenda. You also have your note sheets. And if you notice again, I just posted the pages here. It looks like it shifted a little bit, but when you download it, it should be okay. If it is not, please let me know. There's been a little issue kind of moving stuff into Google Docs. And then your objectives PowerPoint is right here. And again, I just made a short condensed PowerPoint for you guys. It looks really weird and overlapping when you are doing this view option, so please download it and work your way through it. Okay, that is the week. Please email me if you guys have any questions.